Good day everyone, in this video I will show you the Microsoft Word Home tab and its ribbon in depth, including how to use its tools and features. For this video, we will focus only on Home tab and all of its ribbon groups. Let's start with the clipboard group. First, let's select this text and click copy. This allows you to copy the select text. Next, click Cut and the selected text will be removed from the document. Finally, click Paste and the copied text will appear again. Now, let's move to Format Painter. For example, I want to copy the formatting of this introduction. I'll select the text, click Format Painter, and then highlight another text. As you can see, the selected text now has the same formatting as the introduction. Now, we have the font group. If you want to change the fonts, you can select the fonts and you can drag all the fonts you wanted. As you can see, there's a lot of fonts or designs. Here, you can change the font style by selecting any font you like. You can also increase or decrease the font size. Another quick way is to use the increase font size A+ and decrease font size A- buttons. You can also format your text by clicking bold to make it thicker, italic to slant the text, and underline to add a line beneath to Microsoft Words and also different underline style. Next is strike through. For example, if you want to show the word late is no longer needed, I can apply strike through. We also have subscript, which make text appear slightly below the line. This is commonly used in chemical formulas or footnotes. The opposite is superscript, which place text above the line. It is used for exponents such as square roots or cubes. The text effect and typography buttons allow you to copy different visual effects to your text. Next is text highlight color, which let you highlight text using different color. Beside it is font color, which change the color of the text itself. As you can see, there's a lot of colors you can pick. Next is the change case. Buttons allows you to cover text into sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each words, or toggle case. If you want to remove all formatting, simplify, click Clear All Formatting, and your text will return to plain text. Now, let's move to the paragraph group. I will copy this paragraph so we can create a bulleted list. You can create a bulleted list by clicking the bullets button. There are different bullet tiles available, and you can even customize your own bullets. In the same paragraph, you can also use numbering. This converts your list into number points. You can also choose different numbering style depending on your preference. You can also multi-level list to create headings with different levels. The decrease indent and increase indent bottoms move the paragraph closer to or farther from the margin. The sort bottom arrange select text or list in alphabetical or numerical orders. The shows hide buttons displayed formatting marks such as space, paragraph, marks, and tabs. You can align your text to the left, center, right, or justifies it. The line and paragraph spacing button lets you adjust the spacing between lines and paragraph. You can also apply shading to add a background color to a paragraph and borders to add borders around text or paragraph. Next is a style group. Style allows you to quickly apply professional formatting to your document. For example, you can select a heading and apply heading 1 or another style to make your documents more organized and consistent. Finally, we have the editing group. The Find tool helps you quickly locate specific words or paste in your documents. The Replace tools allow you to replace one word with another throughout the document. The Select options help you quickly select the text, object, or the entire document.